Hello, hi, my name's Kevin. I'm with Grubbs Garage. If you're watching this video, you may have seen in some of the other motorcycles I've built. I'm a restorer. I enjoy doing the Honda motorcycles. This here is my most recent project. This is a 1973 Honda 354. And this was the father's of the customer, Brian, who I had the pleasure of doing this for over the past year. A little over a year. But anyway, we went back retro as much as I could and went 100% custom. Or not, shouldn't say custom, but I should say custom OEM restoration. Everything has been rechromed on this bike. I did the factory candy baracus olive paint job, although mine's 22 coats of paint. It's a little different in the factory. Similar color, much different appearance. Did some nice chrome bits down here at the bottom. Chain guard. We went ahead and we re-chromed the factory. These aren't even factory. The pipes there were aftermarket. His dad put those on there, and he wanted to have those on there and re-chrome. So that's what I did. So this bike, believe it or not, has 300 original miles on it. 314. I put 1 mile on it, and you can see here I went through the whole bike. Those pinstripes are all done by hand after I laid the paint down. New spokes, all original rims, original hubs. I went in here and did the hubs. You can see there, nice hub detail down in there. Every little thing has been detailed. All the arms are chromed, brake springs. I mean, pretty much every little thing I did. If you're watching this video, you've been probably own one of these, you're looking to restore it, you're looking to do something with one, or you're just interested in the old classic Hondas like I am. And well, like I said, this is a neat bike. Down inside there, did every little thing. You know, if you have an old bike and you want it restored, you know, you can get a hold of me on my website here or the YouTube channel. You know, definitely like and subscribe to my channel. I'm always doing really neat stuff like this. Been working on doing a little bit more interesting stuff on my YouTube channel. If you have any suggestions, possibly give them to me. I'd like to share what I do a little bit more. I've got some pretty good stuff, and I really see a lot of neat stuff throughout the year. And if you like motorcycles or even anything like motor related stuff, I come up with some wild stuff. And anyway, just wanted to show you Brian's bike here before I put it away. He's going to pick it up here coming this week. And I hope all you guys like this. I wanted to share it with you guys before I put it away. Out here in the sun. It's the first time I've seen it in the sun. Every little detail I could possibly do to make this as original as possible. So there's the bike. It's a really neat looking bike. I hope he likes it. And it's a good tribute to his father. I'm gonna walk quickly around it here. There we go.